Time-based maintenance. Time-based maintenance triggers are part of a preventive approach to maintenance. By scheduling maintenance at regular intervals, it helps ensure assets are functioning properly with a minimal amount of unplanned downtime. Using time triggers, small problems can be caught and fixed before they grow into bigger ones. Time-based maintenance triggers are best used for simple tasks, such as oil changes, and on assets that have an established best before date, such as air conditioning filters that need to be changed every spring.